Most people try to make money online by selling something, but what if the easiest way to 5K, 10K, or even 100K a month was by giving something away for free? Sounds crazy, right? But this is exactly how I went from 0 to 6 figures, and thousands of others have followed the same steps to land their first paying clients. Here's how it works. Right now, thousands of small businesses in your city are losing customers because they don't have a website. Plumbers, electricians, roofers. When someone searches best plumber near me and they don't show up, guess who gets the call? That's right, the guy with a website does. This means a massive opportunity for you, and finding these businesses takes less than 60 seconds, so let me show you how. Open up Google and type in plumbers in, well, whatever city you want. Let's say Denver, Colorado. Actually, forget plumbers. Let's make this even better, because right now there are 2 goldmine niches that almost no one is targeting, but they're wide open for the taking. If I were starting this business from scratch today, these are the exact 2 that I'd focus on: local appliance repair and window cleaning. So let's break it down with window cleaning as an example. So, window cleaners in Denver, Colorado. Now, what you want to do here is come down to this part and click more businesses. And then what we're going to do is we're going to scroll and we're going to look for a business that doesn't have this little website icon here, which would indicate they don't have a website. All right, you see this business right here with no website button? This is a prime lead because this means that most of their customers simply can't find them online. So this is where you come in. Now, you're not selling them anything up front. You're simply going to offer them a free website, and I'll show you exactly how to do that in just a second. But here's where the magic happens, because instead of charging thousands of dollars up front for a website like other designers do, you're going to give it to them for free. But why? Well, because the real money is in the upgrades. You see, once they see their site live, you're going to offer them a simple add-on that helps them get more calls, more leads, and more customers. You can do this through a contact form, an AI chatbot, or a booking system. And guess what? Business owners will gladly pay $300 to $500 per month for that because they'll see instant results. Now, if you're thinking, okay, this sounds awesome, but I have no idea how to actually build a website, don't worry. I've put together a complete step-by-step training plus all of the templates that I use in my own business, and I'm giving it away for free, but more on that later. So now that you know how to find businesses that don't have websites, let's talk about what to say when you reach out to them. The key here is to keep it simple. These business owners are busy and they don't trust random sales pitches. So instead of trying to sell them something right away, you're going to want to offer them something valuable for free. And here's exactly what you can say when you call or email them. Hey, business owner's name. I was looking for plumbing, electrical services in your city and noticed you don't have a website. I help small businesses get online for free. I already built a simple website for your business as a test, and I'd love to show it to you. If you like it, it's yours, no cost. Would you be open to checking it out? At this point, most business owners will be curious. I mean, no one's ever offered them a free website before, and they're going to want to see it. Well, that's when you send them a preview link. Now, one of the biggest questions is, how do I build this website for free if I don't know how to code? Easy. We're simply going to use a website builder that does all of the work for you. So let me show you what that looks like. So here I am inside of the software, and there are a ton of different templates to choose from. But let's say I decide that we're going to ditch our window cleaning one and we're going to go with appliance repair or any kind of repair. All I have to do is type in repair. You'll see HVAC, plumbing services, DIY. All I've really got to do is find one that I kind of like the look of. Kind of like that one on first glance, and that one's good too. Why don't we go with this one though? So I click it. All I have to do is go continue, and then it is going to install the template for me. Now, with just a few clicks, I can swap out their logo, I can make a few quick adjustments here, maybe put in their business name, change a couple colors around if I want, and I've got a completely fully functional website done, built in under 10 minutes. And here's the real kicker. Once they see their new website live, they won't want to lose it. That's when you could explain, I'll host and manage everything for you, and I can even add extra features like a contact form or AI chatbot to help you get more customers. If you want to keep it running, it's just $300 to $500 per month, no contracts, cancel anytime. At this point, a lot of business owners say yes because they've already seen the value. No big upfront fee, no risk, just a done-for-you service that makes their business look more professional. And the best part here is that you don't need to be a tech expert to do this. The software handles everything. You just plug in their info and then send them the link. But now, let's talk about how to scale this up so you can land multiple clients without spending hours cold calling, because that's not fun. Okay, so now that you know how to land your first client, let's talk about how to scale this up so you can make 5K, 10K, or more per month without spending all day chasing business owners. Well, the secret? Automation and referrals. Most people waste time reaching out to random businesses one by one. Instead, you want business owners coming to you, so here's how to do it. Step 1, leverage referrals. Once you land your first client with this irresistible free website offer, don't stop there. Use that client to get your next 3 to 5 clients for free. All you've got to do is send them this message. Hey, client's name. If you know any other business owners who could use a website like this, I'd love to help them too. And as a thank you, I'll give you a free upgrade, like an extra feature, priority support, etc., for every referral you send my way. Small business owners know other small business owners, so a single happy client can bring you multiple new clients without you lifting a finger. Actually, technically you gotta type, and that's 10 fingers. Step 2, make Google work for you. Instead of manually searching for businesses every day, let Google send you fresh leads automatically. Not that it's a ton of work to be manually searching for businesses every day, but still, why not let Google do some of the work for you and send you fresh leads automatically? To do this, all you've got to do is set up Google Alerts, which you can do by simply going there and typing something like new business license in whatever city you want, or new plumbing company in, again, whatever city, or grand opening, whatever city. Then you'll get notified instantly. Anytime a new business launches, you'll get an email. From there, you want to be the first to reach out. These businesses are just starting out, and they need a website. If you offer them one before anyone else, you have zero competition. Step 3, use a simple website funnel. Instead of cold calling every business yourself, let them come to you. And you can do this by creating a simple one-page website that says, need a website? Get one free, or I'll build you a professional website for free. No strings attached. Add a contact form where business owners can enter their name, business type, and phone number. Then you can email this link to all the small business owners in your area. This way, instead of chasing clients, they come straight to you. Step 4, stack your income. Let's do some quick math. 1 client equals $300 a month. 5 clients, $1,500 a month. 10 clients, $3,000 a month. 20 clients, $6,000 a month. And because websites require almost zero maintenance, you're not trading hours for dollars. Once you set these up, it's passive income that stacks every month. Okay, but what if a business owner says no? Heaven forbid. Well, don't worry. I'm about to show you a powerful follow-up strategy that can turn a no into a yes almost every time. You see, even if a business owner says no at first, it doesn't mean that they're not interested. It just means they're not ready yet. And that's where a follow-up comes in. The sad reality is that most people give up after one message, but the real money is in that follow-up sequence. So here's a simple 3-step follow-up strategy that turns maybes into paying clients. Step 1, the quick check-in, 3 to 5 days later. Send a short, casual message. Something like, hey, name, just wanted to check in. Did you get a chance to look at the free website I built for you? No rush, just wanted to make sure you saw it. This keeps the conversation open without feeling pushy. Many business owners are just busy and forgot to reply. Step 2, the what's missing message. 1 week later. If they still haven't responded, send this. Hey, name, I get that you're busy. Just curious, was there something about the website you'd want to change before going live? Totally happy to tweak it for you. This message makes them feel like they're in control. Often they'll reply with something small, like adding their logo or changing the colors, which gets them involved and makes them more likely to say yes. Step 3, the loss aversion message. 2 weeks later. If they still haven't moved forward, here's the final message. Hey, name, I totally understand if now isn't the right time. Since I only have a few spots left for free websites this month, I just wanted to check one last time before I move on to the next business owner. Let me know if you're still interested. This message creates urgency without being aggressive. Nobody likes missing out, and this simple message often reignites interest and gets them to move forward. Okay, one more, a bonus, the no-cost close. If they still say no, ask, no worries at all. Just curious, what's the main reason you're holding off? Sometimes they'll say, I don't have time to manage a website, or I'm not sure if it'll help my business. Well, that's when you can handle their objection by reminding them that, first of all, you're going to handle everything for them, so there's nothing that they need to do, or you can remind them that this is going to help them get more customers without any extra work on their end. Many times, it's not that they don't want a website, it's that they need just a little bit of reassurance. And by using the simple follow-up system, you're going to turn more leads into paying clients without sounding like just another pushy salesperson. Okay, now that you're landing clients, let's talk about how to increase your income without taking on extra work or chasing more businesses. The secret? Simple upgrades that boost your monthly revenue. Once a business owner has their website, they're already paying you $300 to $500 per month. But with just a few small add-ons, you can double or even triple that without any extra effort. So here are 3 of the easiest upsells that business owners absolutely love. Number 1, Google Business Profile Setup. $200 to $500, one-time fee. Most small businesses don't even show up when you search for them on Google, and that's simply because they haven't set up their Google Business Profile properly. Also, side note, Google Business Profile was formerly known as the Google My Business, just in case anyone asks. Now, setting this up takes less than 30 minutes, but it helps them show up in local searches and it will get them more customers. So here's what to say. Hey, name, since we've got your website up and running, I noticed your business isn't showing up on Google. I can set up your Google business profile for you so customers can find you more easily. It's a one-time setup fee of $300 or $500, and it makes a huge difference in getting more calls and visits. Again, feel free to swap out $300 or $500 with whatever you choose. Most business owners will say yes because they don't know how to do it themselves. Or they're too busy. Okay, number 2, automated AI chatbot, $100 to $300 a month extra. This is a game changer for local businesses. Adding a simple AI chatbot to their website means they can capture leads even when they're not available. Plumbers, electricians, roofers, basically every small business out there misses calls all the time. And an AI chatbot lets visitors book appointments and ask questions and leave their info 24/7 without the business owner lifting a finger. You can pitch it like this. Right now, if someone visits your website and has a question, they might leave without calling you. I can add a chatbot that instantly answers customer questions and books appointments for you. Most businesses see an increase in leads right away. It's just an extra $200 a month. Want me to set it up? Business owners will happily pay for this because it brings in more customers without them doing any extra work. Number 3, SEO and lead generation, $500 to $1,500 per month extra. Once their website is live, the next step is getting more traffic. Offering basic SEO, search engine optimization, and lead generation helps them rank higher on Google and gets them more customers automatically. Now, if you don't know SEO, don't worry. You can outsource this for $100 to $300 a month and still make a great profit. So here's what to say. I can also help your website rank higher on Google so more people find your business. We'll optimize your site and bring in more traffic over time. It's $500 a month and you'll start seeing results within a few weeks. Want to give it a try? Okay, let's do the math here. Base website package, $300 a month. Chatbot upsell, $200 a month. SEO/lead gen, $500 a month. Total per client, $1,000 per month. With just 5 clients, that's a $5,000 a month business with almost zero extra work. Now, if you're serious about launching your very own profitable online business today, but you're not exactly sure how to get started, I've got something special for you. See, right now you can join a brand new 5-day AI challenge completely free, where you're going to get walked through step by step exactly how to start and grow a simple, highly profitable business selling cutting-edge AI marketing software to small businesses that already want to buy it. And here's the best part. You don't need any previous experience, you don't need tech skills, and you don't have to spend a single penny up front. You're even going to get a full 30-day free trial of High Level, which is the software I use, completely preloaded with all of the powerful AI tools that you're going to need to attract and land your first paying clients immediately. You'll also get your very own customizable AI marketing chatbot that practically does all the selling for you, along with proven, ready-to-go campaign templates and emails and texts, and even a fully built website. It's literally everything you need to get started right away. And to make sure that you're completely supported every step of the way, you're also going to get personalized one-on-one Zoom coaching, 24/7 live expert support, and regular weekly trainings. And every time you make a sale, you keep 100% of the profits. So if you're ready to finally launch a simple and profitable AI business from scratch and you want to start seeing results as soon as this week, then all you have to do is tap or click the link in the descriptions or the top comment, or visit growmyagencynow.com to claim your free 30-day trial and bonuses right now. A lot of options there for you. Otherwise, I've also got another video linked up right here, so you're free to check that out too if you want. No pressure, but it's a good one. And if your goal is to make a whole lot more money, a whole lot faster, I think you're really going to like it. So feel free to tap or click that now, and I'll see you in there in just a second.